Hello, kids. How are you? Oi, crianças. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. And how are you feeling today? Um, are you feeling happy? Look. Yes, happy? Or are you feeling sleepy? Sono, sleepy. Are you feeling embarrassed? O que é embarrassed? É com vergonha. Oh, embarrassed. Are you feeling angry? Angry? Are you feeling loved? O que é loved? Amado. I am feeling loved. Eu estou me sentindo amada. Which one are you feeling? Let's see again. Whoops. Happy. Sleepy. Embarrassed. Angry. Loved. Eu quero saber, na aula vocês vão me contar se vocês estão sentindo algum desses sentimentos, alguma dessas emoções, ok? And let's remember our Days of the Week song. Vamos lembrar da música do Days of the Week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tu, 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 tu. Okay, so now I want you to tell me, what color is this? Who knows the name? What color is this? It's gray. Gray. And here? Blue. And this color here? Green. Pink. Who likes pink? Red. Brown. Orange. Purple. Black. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. And you, what's your favorite color? Qual que é a sua favorite color? Oh, a gente esqueceu aqui do white. Vamos cantar a música então para os nossos colegas que estiverem vestindo hoje. Let's see. Let's say hello to our friends wearing green. Shoo, shoo. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing blue. Shoo, shoo. And we'll say hello to our friends, all of our friends wearing orange. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing yellow. Shoo, shoo. Então a gente disse oi para os colegas que estão usando essas cores. Agora eu quero que vocês peguem o livro de vocês, esse livro aqui. Get your books, Letters and Sounds. Okay, everybody get your book, the book with the fishes, and open on page 10. Page 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look what you have here. What's this? What's this? You have here a ball, drums, a drum, tambor, a teddy bear. Who has a teddy bear? Quem tem teddy bear que gosta? And an airplane. So, I want you to get your crayons. Crayons, os seus giz de cera ou lápis de cor. Blue, red, orange, purple, and brown. Blue, red, orange, purple, and brown. And we are going to paint this picture, but we are going to paint each color in a different letter. Então, vocês vão pintar de acordo com a legenda. Every time you see a letter A, remember? A, apple. Vocês vão pintar de blue. A is blue. E, cada vez que tiver uma letter E, vão pintar de red. Letter I, orange. Letter O, purple. Letter U, brown. So let's review these vowels first. Repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. Vocês. A, E, I, O, U. Mais uma vez. A, E, I, O, U. E o som delas, quem lembra? A, apple. E, elephant. E, inchworm. O, ostrich. Umbrella. A, apple. E, elephant. E, inchworm. O, ostrich. Umbrella. Então, peguem lá. Vamos pintar. Sempre que vocês encontrarem a letra, here. Letter A. A is blue. Todos os A's vão ser blue. Lembrem de pintar dentro da linha. Todos os I e inchworm, orange. Todos os... Aqui, o que mais que temos aqui? E elephant vão ser red. And all the umbrella, U, brown. E tem o O ainda. Onde que tem O aqui? O here, O, purple. Okay, let's paint. Yes? So, I hope you can paint all the pictures. Espero que vocês consigam pintar toda essa picture. And you will show me during the class. E vocês me mostram no nosso online class, ok? Have a nice day. Bye bye.